In a case believed to be the first of its kind in the country, a New Jersey college student could be held liable for texting her boyfriend while he was driving and allegedly causing him to crash into a couple that was riding a motorcycle. Now, the attorney for that couple on the motorcycle claims Shannon Kalana knew her boyfriend was behind the wheel when she sent him a text, and therefore she's just as responsible for the crash as her boyfriend, who was the driver. I'm a lawyer too, and I look at this and I say, my goodness, this sounds like you're taking us down some slippery slope, Skippy.
I certainly can understand that. I think what's important here is the uniqueness of the facts. I think if you ask the general public, what do they think about holding someone texting responsible, I think that would be an absurdity. But in these unique set of facts, where they had such a close relationship, they knew exactly what each other's schedules were. They had been together for hours. They texted each other 62 times that day. Therefore, she may not have been physically present in the vehicle, but she certainly was electronically present.
All right, Skippy, how about this, Skippy? And I do this all the time in my neighborhood. I'm walking down the street. I wave to cars. I wave to the drivers of the cars. Now, if I wave and the driver waves and they get into an accident, I'm responsible, Skippy?
The answer would be no. I think also
what's the difference?
Equally strong argument would be, what about if you turn on the radio? What about if you look up at a billboard? I think those are strong arguments against my position, except in this case, there was communication. Turning on a radio, waving to someone, looking at a billboard, that's not a means of communication. Every case, when there's injuries as severe as these are, we take depositions, which, of course, is sworn testimony under oath. And when I questioned the young lady whether or not she knew that he was in the truck, her answer was very simple at deposition. She responded by saying, I don't know, I guess so, yeah, I may have known. And therefore, the key here is if she knew he was driving and she was texting him because she knew his schedule, she said maybe she knew, I suggest to you that there should be responsibility on a financial basis.